So this is how I customized the Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G from looking like this to this, and the best part is this process takes under just 10 minutes. So the first step would be to download Nova Launcher and set that as your default launcher. Now once you've done that, get into your Nova settings, click on home screen settings, and the desktop grid is 5x5. Now apart from that, set the icon size to about 100% and then click on dock, then click on dock pages and set the dock pages to 2. So what this will do is if we swipe right on the bottom of a home screen, then we can basically add 5 more apps, and yeah, this is actually super useful, but at the same time making this home screen setup look pretty clean as well. Now once you've done that, go back, this time click on app drawer and you will see an option called as swipe indicator, so make sure to go ahead and disable that. Now once you've done that, click on look and feel and then you will see an option called as show notification bar, so go ahead and disable that. So this will basically make our home screen setup look pretty clean and immersive while hiding the notification panel, and yeah, in my opinion it looks really clean. Now once you've done that, it's time to change your wallpaper. So this wallpaper is from Fresh Walls, so open up Fresh Walls, search for gray and you should see the wallpaper over there. Now as usual, you'll find the direct download link of the wallpaper in the description, so you can download it from there as well. Now once you've done that, you'll have to change your icon pack. So for this setup, I'm using a free icon pack called as the charcoal icon pack. So this is one of my favorite dark theme icons because this particular icon pack supports a lot of different icons, and yeah, all in all it is this really well crafted icon pack, looks really good with dark wallpapers. Now once you've done that, it's time to add some widgets. So for this setup you will require KWGT and the KWGT Pro key. And speaking about the first widget on the top, then this is from a plugin called as Desaturate for KWGT and the widget number is F6. So yeah, this is basically a date and time widget. I think it goes pretty well with this setup. Now that music widget on the bottom is from a plugin called as Mini Music Player for KWGT and the widget number is 078. So this particular widget will allow you to go to the next and previous track. Apart from that, we can pause and play music, and it does show the duration of the music as well, which is pretty useful. And last but not the least, this search widget is from Desaturate for KWGT and the widget number is H9. So this is basically a Google search widget, and yeah, all in all this completes this setup. Now as usual, you'll find my Nova Launcher backup file followed by all the apps used to create this setup and the wallpaper direct download link in the description box below, so definitely check it out. But I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.